All right, so the delivery van arrives at an office every day between 3 and 5 p.m. By the way, that is how many minutes? 3 to 5 p.m. That is this 2-hour span. That is 120 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to write that down here. If the office doors were locked between 3:15 and 3:55 p.m., that's 20 minutes. What's the probability that the doors were unlocked? Well, if they were locked for 20 minutes, then the other 100 minutes they were unlocked. So probability of doors unlocked is equal to 100 out of 120 minutes. The doors were unlocked. What does that simplify to? Dividing them both by 20, you get 5 out of 6. And so you will find the simplified answer 5/6 A.